Good day, Tagum City! Good day, viewers and listeners! Welcome to another episode of Salida TeleRadyo of La Filipina National High School, where you will learn another engaging and exciting lessons that will be very helpful to you. I am your teacher host, Teacher Roslyn Presno. And for today, you will learn many things about selecting packaging materials, a lesson from grade 9 TLE. Let us now welcome our teacher broadcaster, Teacher Michelle Romo Jimentisa.
Good day, viewers and listeners. It's me again, your teacher Michelle Romo Jimentisa, your teacher broadcaster for today. This morning, we're going to discuss selecting packaging materials, which is part of your Module 6 in TLE Cookery 9 for the 4th quarter. We are glad because we can still deliver to you our lesson while keeping you safe at home through Salida La Filipina TeleRadyo. And for us to be guided with our discussion, let's have first our objectives. First, identify the different packaging materials. Second, learn the function, purpose, and importance of food packaging materials. And last, answer honestly the questions within the given period of time. But before that, let us test first your prior knowledge about this topic. So you have to answer the following questions by doing check if the statement is true and X if the statement is false. I will give you just 3 seconds to answer each item. Are you ready? Okay, let's proceed. First question. Packaging is usually done for the purpose of transportation and storage. Is it a check or X? Okay, let's reveal the answer. The answer is check. Next item. Glass is also heavier, which increases cost of shipping and makes it more difficult to transport larger quantities of product. What is the answer? It's a check. Next item. Food packaging protects foodstuffs, but it can also be a source of chemical food contamination. Let's reveal. Correct answer is check. Tin cans are actually plastic coated in a thin layer of tin. Is it a check or X? Answer is X. Last item. The principal roles of food packaging are to unprotect food products from outside influences and damage to contain the food. Is it check or X? What is your answer? Correct answer is X. I hope you have answered the questions correctly. Those are just some of the important lessons about selecting packages material. Let us now proceed with our discussion. What we'll need? Make sure that you have prepared your paper and pen so that you can able to take note of the lesson. packaging. This can be defined as the general group of activities in product planning, which involves designing and producing a container or wrapper for a product. Packaging is the science and art and technology of enclosing or protecting products' distribution, storage, sale, and use. Nowadays, lalo na this pandemic, di ba mas madali sa atin mag-order ng mga pagkain through online? Which is packaging materials plays important role to protect its content from any damage and maintain the food safety. We have here the tin materials. The very common packaging materials. These are actually steel cans coated in thin layer of tin, mostly used for soda or preserved foods like meats and vegetables. Tin materials, these are used for packaging because this can be sealed tight so that no air can get in. The second packaging material is we have the aluminum materials. Aluminum for foil, cans, and trays are commonly used nowadays. It is used in food containers for different reasons. It provides a very good barrier in a lightweight, preserves food quality, and it can be recycled and designed individually according to customer requirements. It can be produced in a different sizes and shape, and its lightweight can be heated in the oven. Next is we have the glass materials. Although plastic is very common still, but glass has a lot of benefits. It is fully recyclable and reusable, and it's effective in preserving foods in a safe environment. However, there are concerns about breakage, especially when shipping. Glass is also heavier, which can increase the cost of shipping and difficult to transport. But it is highly efficient material. Next is we have wood. Are you familiar with the wood packaging materials? The most common place to see wooden food packaging is the fruit section. Other than that, most wooden packaging is saved for artisanal or high-end products. So wood packaging materials are definitely not the cheapest option as packaging. As fairly uncommon sight, wood packaging is in the fruit section, and vegetables are hosted in a small wooden crate. Next is we have container boards. This is very common, used for boxes foods like cereals, cookies, and other box snack foods. There are many uses of container board in food packaging. It is used for boxes, foods like cereals, cookies, box snack foods like pizza. When the container board is used to hold a liquid, the material is coated with wax so that it doesn't become damaged from the contents inside. Paperboard are also called as a container for liquid such as juices and milk. Next is we have biocomposite material, or the example is the eco-friendly packaging. This type of packaging materials are also common nowadays since these are formed by wax and made of both renewable and non-renewable resources. Biocomposites are composite material, meaning they are made of two or more unique resources that create a new material when combined. So, this is developed for food packaging that is more resistant to foodborne pathogens that can help to increase the shelf life of food. Next is we have the polymer material. Example is the plastic containers. There are several types of polymer materials used for food products. Each has their own distinct features and characteristics. Basic example is the polyethylene plastic and is very commonly used for packaging. It's lightweight and it's commonly found in plastic containers and also found in plastic grocery bags, bread bags, and coffee can lids. Those are the packaging materials. We have tin materials, aluminum, glass, wood, container board, biocomposites or eco-friendly packaging, polymer materials, plastic containers, polyethylene. This time, let us assess what you have learned today. Identify the letter of the correct answer. You will be given 5 seconds to answer each item. Okay, let's proceed. First question. This type of packaging materials are commonly used nowadays and 100% recyclable. It is lightweight and can be heated in the oven. A. Wood. B. Aluminum. C. Tin. D. Glass. Your 5 seconds starts now. What is your answer? Correct. Letter B, aluminum. Number 2. This type of packaging material can be sealed tight, commonly used for soda and preserved foods like meats and vegetables. Letter A, container board. Letter B, wood. Letter C, tin or tin foil. Letter D, glass. 5 seconds starts now. Okay, let's reveal the answer. We have tin materials or tin foil. Question number 3. It is the science, art, and technology of enclosing or protecting products distribution, storage, sale, and use. A. Marketing. B. Packaging. C. Safety. D. Brand. Your timer starts now. Answer. Let's reveal. B. Packaging. Next item. It is a type of material that is fully recyclable and highly effective for preserving foods in a safe environment. Letter A, wood. Letter B, container board. Letter C, plastic container. Letter D, glass. Timer starts now. Let's reveal the answer. Answer is letter D, glass. Last item. This type of packaging materials are formed by resin or wax, made up of both renewable and non-renewable resources. A. Wood. B. Biocomposite, for example, the eco-friendly packaging. C. Plastic containers. D. Container board. Your time starts now. Let's reveal the answer. B. Biocomposite material. How how was your score? I know you did a good job today. If your score is 5, that's great. But if not, you still have a lot of chances to do better by studying your modules. How do you feel about our lesson today? What do you think is the importance of learning selecting packaging materials? So let us continue to master what you have learned today by doing your assignment. Write your answer and submit it on the scheduled submission of modules. Assignment: take and compile pictures at least 10 commonly used food packaging materials in food. Paste your picture to your answer sheet. I hope you have learned a lot in our discussion. See you again next time for another lesson in Cookery 9. I am your teacher Michelle Romo Jimentisa, leaving you with this wonderful quote from Angelina Jolie: "Every day we choose who we are by how we define ourselves." Thank you, and that's all.
That was great! Thank you, Teacher Michelle. Thank you, viewers and listeners, for tuning in. I hope you have learned a lot today. That's all, and goodbye, everyone.